Moving now to the state of Telangana, where Hyderabad is witnessing very heavy rainfall. The city of Nizams has been completely inundated. Over 1,000 people, all of them living in the low-lying areas, have now been shifted to relief camps. Musi River flowing in full spate. Rains are taking place across the city, not just in Hyderabad but in the state of Telangana. Amid all the heavy rains, authorities now were forced to open the gates of Hyderabad's twin reservoirs. That released close to 25,000 cusacks of water, leading to heavy inflow in Musi River. High-tech, fast-developing western part of the city faced several traffic congestions and localized flooding. The IMD, in fact, has issued warning. More rains are expected in the next 2 days. Chief Minister Revanth Reddy has placed administration on high alert, directed officials to closely monitor the situation. The traffic police have now been issued a work-from-home advisory to IT companies to reduce the pressure on key transportation arteries.
Several parts of Hyderabad reeling under floods after the aggressive flow of Musi River. Now here we are at Chadarghat flyover area, where several houses in the Chadarghat and Musarambag bridge area are inundated in water. The whole bridge is underwater. No traces can be visible, and houses, hundreds of houses in the 54-kilometer stretch of Musi River flowing in the city of Hyderabad, all the low-lying areas are completely underwater. Now here you can see that people living in these areas have been, however, shifted to safer places, but only the rooftop of these houses can be visible from this particular place. Several of them have been stranded at their houses waiting for the authorities' help. And from the past night, after the information of 15 gates of Usman Sagar have been lifted for 9 feet and 11 gates of Himayat Sagar have been lifted, the combined water flowing through river Musi can be seen completely aggressive. Now several houses here are completely inundated in water. The temples that are there on the ghats of this particular river is underwater. Now all the administration is on high alert after Chief Minister Revanth Reddy has asked the whole administration to coordinate well to regulate loss of life and property in this particular area.
My colleague Abdul Bashir is also joining me live on the story. Abdul, we understand the administration is on its toes. The Chief Minister is very closely monitoring the situation.
The situation here on the banks of River Musi seems to be very tense. As you can see right behind me is the river
Musi flowing aggressively. The whole bridge here has been inundated in water. Both the sides, the roads have been closed. No traffic movement in this particular area. Several houses inundated in water. More than 1,000 people have been evacuated only in this Malakpet area where right now I'm standing. This is Chadarghat, bridge under Malakpet constituency, where the water flow can be seen how aggressive it is, taking more than hundreds of houses into its purview here. As you can see, this particular area is completely inundated in water. Now people have been evacuated from their areas. There are 4 to 5 family members is what is being said, where food is not being reached. The authorities are trying to send food to these residents.
Right.
But now the use of drones will be done. All the authorities here have completely are on alert. As you can see right around me, the disaster response force team is here. The local MLA, the GHMC officials, the police department, fire department is right now coordinating and working to rescue people to minimize the loss of life and property.
Right.
We have a resident here, a pujari from the temple here, a ghat in this particular area. आपका नाम बताइए?
मेरा नाम रविशंकर गौतम है
जी। अभी बताइए परिस्थिति क्या है, कब आपको पता चला?
ये शाम को 6 बजे हमको जानकारी हुई कि पानी का स्पीड बढ़ गया।
That was my colleague Abdul Bashir speaking with those who have now been evacuated in the low-lying areas in the city of Hyderabad.